What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Today's not going to be a typical video like you would think, because today I want to give credit to where credit is due. We're coming up on, well, I'm over 6 years, coming up on 2 million views and probably the next month, and I'm coming up on almost 22,000 subscribers. And I didn't get here on my own. So today's the day. I definitely want you to know about the gentleman that has helped me get here. See, I guesstimate about 5 years ago, it was 4 or 5 years ago, I reached out on the little app called Fiverr, before it got really big, and I reached out for somebody to help me to make a video intro. That video intro helped project my channel forward, and every year I have a new intro made up, as you guys might have noticed. But I didn't do all those. This other guy has done them for me, and he is an expert at what he does. Now, it started out with video intros, then it moved into video graphics, then video editing, and he's done other things like data grabbing and spreadsheets, and he's done all sorts of work for me in the channel over the years. And now's the time where I want to introduce you guys to Qasim Ali. It's a gentleman in Pakistan who I've outsourced a lot of the work on this channel, which is why it's the fit and finish that's made it look very professional, including a little rotating logo up there, compliments of him. Now, Mr. Qasim, he has a website called Idea Solutions. I will go ahead and leave that down in the video description. And if you guys are thinking about developing a website, if you look for some additional editing or maybe some graphics artist work, I highly suggest you reach out to him. He is beyond fair when it comes to pricing, and he does an excellent job. I would not be where I am today if it wasn't for Mr. Qasim Ali, and I want to thank him very much. Thank you guys for watching over all these years. And Mr. Ali, I hope that you get some work out of this from people that watch this channel here in the United States, because I owe a lot of the success of this channel to you, sir. You've helped me create the largest YouTube channel on medical technology, and I sincerely thank you, sir. All right, guys, thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.